Ano yung kinakain mo, ate?
Carrots.
Carrots na hilaw. Delicious?
Yes.
Ang title nito, Eating Carrots. Lutong. Lutong. Healthy vegetables. Ilang kilo kaya mong kainin sa isang araw? How many kilos? Maybe how many pieces only?
3
3 or
or
2
4.
or 4. Lotong. Sarap. Pag nasa Amerika ka, kakain ka rin carrots na hilaw.
May baby
Mga baby carrots yung maliliit, ano, mas masarap, ano. Pag luto na carrots, ayaw ng bata na to. Pag hilaw, gustong gusto. Iba ka. Amerikana ka ba talaga? Amerikanang hilaw. Sarap, lutong. Baby carrots. Yung payat, ano. Yung iba daw kasi manhihilaw. Nawawala daw hilo nila pag kumakain ng carrots na hilaw.
Oh, walang halo or meron.
Basta you like, your favorite. Carrots is your favorite?
Yeah.
May hilaw o may hilaw man o wala. Basta delicious carrots. According to Aya. She wants carrots to eat carrots. Lutong. Sandali lang po niyang ngatain yan. In few minutes, ubos. Eating carrots challenge. Ay, malapit na maubos. Lapit na maubos. Lapit na. Matibay ang ngipin. Lutong. Wala po siyang mic, pero talagang malutong ang carrots, press na press. Iinggitin po kayo ni ate. Sarap. She's very happy to eat carrots. After 3 minutes, ubos na po niya yung carrots. Lutong. Busog? Nakakabusog ba? Lunch po niya ang carrots.
Hindi pa? Mamaya, later on this day.
Mukbang calamares.
Mukbang calamares.
For the meantime only, she eating carrots. When you start to eat carrots, hilaw carrots?
When it was mommy's, no. I think when at
2 years old?
No.
In Philippines?
6. I mean, or
6
or
only?
7.
You try.
Ache was there and she was cooking some vegetables and stuff. Mama's she cut like little pieces
and you try
of
it.
carrots, and Mama showed me that she can eat the carrots even if it's not cooked. And I gave her a try and I said, I like this. I love this. So I ate it, and I saved some for for the other vegetables because Acha was gonna cook it, and I really wanted to finish it. All of the carrots that is cut, I really wanted to finish it.
You
And it was
discovered.
like this big.
You discovered carrots is good to eat.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Mm. Maybe carrots from Baguio. Harvest from Baguio. Lutong. Kainggit ng lutong.
These are one of my favorite snacks when I
Your
have nothing
favorite.
to eat.
Ah, your favorite. One of your favorite
Yeah.
snack.
Yeah. I love cake too.
Mm.
I love cake
And ice cream.
and ice cream.
What flavor in ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
And cake vanilla.
And cake, vanilla also?
Yeah. I love vanilla.
And
Last time, I almost finished my birthday cake, which was like this big.
you finish?
We ate it. We finished it.
Mm.
We ate it all.
I think vanilla is not very delicious.
For me, I love it.
How about Ariel? Also like vanilla?
He could take
Vanilla
anything.
flavor?
He could take anything. He likes strawberry, vanilla, cookies and cream. He likes fruit salad. He likes everything.
Mm. In Filipino foods, can you tell what Filipino foods do you want to eat?
Tocino.
And
I love tocino. I love the ano yun ulit? Yung squid.
calamares.
I like calamares. It could be spicy or not spicy. And I love
Ginataang kalabasa na may sitaw.
yeah.
Yeah.
I like adobo.
Sinigang na baboy.
Sinigang bubble. Yeah.
Sinampalukang manok.
Yeah.
Tortang talong.
Yeah. One of my favorites.
Pritong tuyo, pritong tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tuyo. Tuyo.
Tuyo. Yes. And I like the
Fried egg.
yeah, fried egg.
Scramble or
You can cook that everywhere.
and kakanin. Puto.
Yes, kakaning puto. I love puto. And I like the kwek-kwek.
Kwek-kwek.
Like street foods. I like street food.
Mm. And rice also.
Rice.
Mm.
And I like Jollibee spaghetti.
Jollibee.
I love spaghetti.
How about McDonald's?
They have spaghetti, but they have chicken nuggets.
And
They have a Happy Meal.
the sauce. What kind of sauce?
Ranch.
Okay. Chicken nuggets. Do you eat Chicken Joy in McDonald's? You like also?
Sometimes.
Mm.
I'm not really into chicken, but sometimes I eat it.
How about hamburger?
Hamburger?
You like?
Sure. Yeah.
French fries
I love French fries.
in McDonald's.
Yeah. I love any kind of French fries. And I like grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah. With the stretchy cheese. And I like pizza. I love pizza.
Cheese with
With
roll. Cheese roll?
cheese roll,
Mm.
cheese sticks.
Yeah.
Cheese sticks. And
Lumpia Shanghai.
lumpia Shanghai. I love those.
Luto ni Eche, masarap.
And I like sushi. And I love seaweed.
Mm. And you like crab and
Yeah,
shrimp?
I love crab and shrimp.
Lobster is
one
very
day-
expensive.
One day I'm gonna eat a lobster.
One day.
Because I really want to taste lobster.
Mm. And fried bangus.
Fried bangus.
Delicious.
Hindi ako gano'ng kahilig. But, yes, pwede na. And I like orange soup.
Orange soup, that's kalabasa.
No, not kalabasa.
Carrot soup.
No, orange. Yung sinigang na orange, na yung soup niya.
Ano kaya yung sinigang na yun?
You can ask Mama later.
Sinigang pero orange. Orange ba sabaw?
Yes. Yung may tomato.
Nilagyan ng tomato sauce.
Yes. Hindi sauce.
Kamatis.
Kamatis.
Maya ni kamatis. Maya ni tomato.
A little bit. Depende kung
Anong flavor? Baboy or fish?
baboy.
Sinigang na baboy.
Hanggang baboy.
Ay, delicious.
And I call it orange soup because it's
Mm.
color orange because of the kamatis.
Wow. Finish. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.